I'm going to be showing you how to get Discord message notifications on iPhone. If you're not getting Discord message notifications, it's almost always a notification or a focus setting. So you just need to follow these steps in order. They cover everything. So the first thing you need to do is enable iPhone notifications for Discord. To do that, you need to open your settings first. Just be on your app library, search for settings. As you can see, it's right there at the top. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you need to scroll down to notifications. As you can find notifications right there, just go ahead and tap here and search for Discord. As you can see, Discord is right there. Just go ahead and tap here and make sure that allow notifications is turned on, and make sure these are on as well, like lock screen notification center and banners, and turn sound on as well. You can also try turning off focus or do not disturb mode if you have it on. Just go back and you can find focus right there. Just go ahead and tap here and make sure you're not on any of the modes. If you are, just turn them off. You can also try checking server and channel mute settings. Even if system notifications are on, Discord won't notify you if things are muted. So in all of these ways, you can successfully get Discord message notifications on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.